see me in your future? Like, what do you see us? Like, what do you see us in, like, the new year 2020 coming up?
Yo, I see us with, you know, maybe have a kid and all that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, I really love you and everything. You know, I'll do anything for you, make sure everything is right.
Really?
You know, this thing is,
Will you marry me?
You know, married thing, and a family thing that right now, you know, but later in our life, you maybe can change my mind still, you see it.
But don't you think marriage should come first before the baby?
This I don't know. Yeah, but you know, so sometimes you have to try the water before anything, you see.
You say you love me, right?
Yeah, you know I will do anything for you, girl. You know this, anything.
From the bottom deep down into your heart.
Yes, but all of this a question of look how long we are deal, man, and you come talk about from bottom to heart. You don't know so I love you.
Okay.
You know me do anything for you, man. Stop, man.
I believe you.
Anything go already, man.
I wanna take you somewhere really quick, show you something.
What you gonna show me now?
I'll show you a surprise.
Alright, let's go. Let's
Alright?
go. Alright.
Let's go.
How are you going there? So, Bia, say every room come here suffer. Huh? Say every room come a graveyard for what go on and stuff.
I just wanted to show you
What? Show me what?
that you see these tombstones here? Half of them are my exes.
I see what money there with?
Just know, if you fuck with me, you will end up right in here. And there's a space with your name on it.
Alright, let me tell you something. You remember when you asked me I love you and there's something there? Eh?
Yeah, then isn't that what you said? You love me and you would do anything for me?
Yeah, man, do anything for you, but right now, you're scared me, so I think I'm not going to do that relationship
scared.
anymore, you know. You see it?
Oh!
Yeah, man.
You know
So,
what,
you can't come back home, please? Because I'm not think I want to deal with a relationship.
So what you saying? You're leaving me?
I don't really leave me, I leave him, I take a walk.
You're leaving me?
No.
Oh, let's go. No problem.
Alright, yeah, come bring back home. But you tell me, say, who help me? This girl there, enough man. What me there do with this girl here? Ah, kill that girl here. Yo, man, come.